Electrical Safety for Non-Electrical Workers. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex electrical safety codes and standards. Our 6-hour course teaches non-electrical personnel how to recognize electrical hazards and apply safe practices to prevent accidents. What you'll learn. Students will learn the effects of electricity on the body, the dangers of electrocution, how to identify common electrical hazards, the safe use of extension cords and power tools, how to recognize overhead power line dangers, and learn the importance of GFCI protection. We deliver engaging live instruction with demonstrations, interactive discussions, and practical examples tailored to non-electrical workers. This course is intended for non-electrical personnel who work in proximity to energized equipment and need awareness of electrical hazards. Typical students include operators, HVAC professionals, plant and custodial teams, maintenance helpers, and other support staff whose duties may bring them near electrical systems. This course comes with an Electrical Safety Training Certificate, 0.6 CEU credits, 6 professional development hours, 100-page Electrical Safety Handbook, and a $50 coupon toward future EFTI training. Protect your workplace by enrolling your staff in EFTI's Electrical Safety for Non-Electrical Workers course.